If you want to receive your payout from Whop, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can verify your identity and cash out your balance without getting stuck. This is a simple guide, but the verification part is important, so follow each step carefully and make sure your account information matches exactly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more clear tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure you are on the home feed at whop.com. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, choose Finance. This is where you'll find your payout and verification options. On the Finance page, locate the section that says Verify Your Identity, then click Verify to begin the process. Now you'll be taken into the verification flow. The first part is Tell us about yourself. Here, Whop will ask you to fill out your personal details, enter your legal name, your business type if applicable, your phone number, and your physical address. Make sure everything is accurate and matches your official records, then click Continue. Even small mistakes can slow things down, so take your time here. Next, you'll move to the ID preparation step. Before continuing, have a valid physical government-issued photo ID, ready such as a driver's license or passport. This is very important. The date of birth on your ID must match the date of birth on your Whop account exactly. If those details do not match, verification can fail, so double-check before you go any further. After that, Whop will ask you to scan a QR code with your phone. On your desktop screen, you'll see the QR code displayed, and you need to use your smartphone camera to scan it. This transfers the camera verification process to your mobile device, which makes the biometric check easier and more secure. Once the QR code is scanned, your phone will open the live verification steps. Now, complete the live scans on your mobile device. First, follow the prompts to take a clear photo of your identity document. Make sure the image is well lit, fully visible, and not blurry. Then you'll be asked to complete the liveness check. That means you'll look directly into your front-facing camera and follow the movement prompts on screen. Stay still, follow the instructions exactly, and make sure your face is clearly visible during the scan. Once those steps are done, review your final personal details and submit the verification. This completes your identity profile and should move your account toward verified status. Depending on the review process, you may be approved quickly, or it may take a short amount of time, so be sure to check back if needed. After your identity status is verified, go back to the Finances page to handle your withdrawal. Keep in mind that you must have a balance meeting the platform threshold before the withdrawal window will open. Once your available balance qualifies, click the Withdraw button inside your Active Balance overview. That will open the payout drawer. Inside the withdrawal window, you'll see different processing speed options. If you want the safer and more standard route, choose Standard, which can take up to 5 business days. If you need the funds faster, you may be able to choose Instant Payment, which can settle in just a few minutes, although fees may apply. Pick the option that makes the most sense for your situation. Next, configure your destination details. Enter the exact amount you want to pay out. Then choose your configured payout method from the drop-down menu. After that, set your target account under Send Payout to. This is the account where your Whop payout will be sent, so make sure the destination is correct before moving on. Before you finish, carefully review everything one more time. Check the amount, the payout method, and the destination account details. If everything looks correct, click Payout to process the transfer out of Whop. Once submitted, your withdrawal will begin processing based on the speed option you selected. And that's it. You've now learned how to complete verification and receive your payout from Whop step by step. If this walkthrough helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.